my channel, Jungle Jingles, singing smiles.
Welcome to the Haunted Zoo, where things are strange but kinda cute. Each egg hides a mystery treat, ready to dance on your feet.
Crack it open, nice and slow. Let's all guess what's in the shell below. We found an egg in the kangaroo's yard. It bounced real high and it smelled like lard. We gave a tap, we heard a cluck. Then out popped a kangarooster. What luck! 𝙤𝙤𝙤 flap that wing. He jumps and crows, he loves to sing. With a pouch and feathers and a cock-a-doodle-doo, it's the start of Crack-a-Doodle Zoo. All together now, what do? We crack that egg to see what's new. We whack the shell and feet gone through. Big or small, we'll cheer and shout. Another surprise is coming out. What's inside the egg? Next came an egg from a swampy floor. It wiggled and jiggled, then rolled out the door. It quacked and trumpeted. What the heck? It hatched into an Elefduck with a stretchy neck. Stomp, crack, splash, he goes with flair, waddling through the jungle air. With a trunk, a beak, and flappy feet too. He's a star in Crack-a-Doodle Zoo. We crack, we crack, we whack. Every egg's a wild surprise. Let's see what creature's on the rise. What's inside the egg? This egg was cold and covered in snow. It started to rumble, then gave a glow. With a sneeze and a roar, out flew a tail. A fuzzy 𝙤𝙤𝙙𝙬𝙤 Penguizard with a sparkling scale. Ice breath, slide, and tail a twirl. This chilly lizard loves to whirl from the North Pole with fire breath too. Only at Crack-a-Doodle Zoo. We crack, we crack, we whack. Tickles, wiggles, a big hoo-hoo. More eggs are coming, maybe one's for you. What's inside the egg? So when you see an egg so round, don't be scared, just tap the ground. Cause in this zoo, the rule is clear. The strangest friends are hatching here at Crack-a-Doodle